Hello techies, this is Testout Network Pro 9.4.4 and we're going to implement an enterprise wireless network. So you are an IT technician for a small corporate network. You just installed a Roku zone controller and wireless access point throughout the building using wired connections. Now you need to configure basic wireless network settings. So in this lab, your task is to perform the following, and we're going to use Google Chrome to access Roku's wireless control tool, and we're also going to create a wireline using the following information provided, and we're also going to connect the so remember that this is 9.4.4 and we're also going to connect executive laptop. All right, so let's go ahead and start up lab immediately. So while this video is loading, if you find this video to be helpful, remember to like and subscribe so that others can benefit also from this channel. Also consider reaching out to me on WhatsApp if you need further assistance on any of the test lab at all. All right, so we are inside the lab. Let us start up right away. Okay, so from our tasks, we're going to use Google Chrome to access Roku's wireless controller tool, and we're going to be using the URL provided, which is let's see, 192.168.0.6. All right, so let's maximize this and then impute the URL provided. So I'll just copy this and paste here. Alright, so Roku's is opened. Alright, so the next thing I want to do is to copy in the username and password that was provided. So this is going to be admin. So we'll just copy and paste this in here, and the password also, let's copy the password and then we'll paste it in here. So we'll go ahead and log in. Right, so this is open, so we'll go to the configure tab. So under the configure tab, we want to scroll down and let's look at, let's see, we'll go to the wireline and we'll see, create a new, yeah, create a new, and then we use the information provided, which is going to be CopNet wireless. So because of time, I will just copy this and paste. Just highlight this copy and then we paste it in here. So we copy this also and then we paste this in here also. So let's see, the type is going to be standard usage. Okay, so this is set already, and authentication is going to be open. So let's, standard is selected already. Standard is selected already for most regular wireless network usage. Okay, so this is done already. So the next thing is to make sure that the authentication is set to open. That is done already. This is done already, as you can see. And the next thing we want to consider is, let's see, encryption is going to be WPA2. So select WPA2, and encryption algorithm is going to be AES. So this is checked already, and the passphrase is provided. I think I will have to copy this and paste this in here. So the passphrase is provided, so let's just copy and paste. You can always type it in if you choose to, but I prefer to copy and paste so that it won't take a lot of time and to minimize the risk of making mistake or any type of graphical error. Alright, so let's go ahead and click OK. And okay, so I guess we let's see, let's scroll down to the bottom of this page. Okay, so we're done here, so let's go into the executive laptop and connect it. So this is the executive laptop, so we'll go to the network of the executive laptop and make sure it's connected to the network. So here's the network area. Click on this. You can see that CopNet is already there. So what we need to do is just to connect this. It will likely require a password, so we have a password, as you know. So we just copy and paste the password that we have set before, which is going to be this. The passphrase, we just copy this and then we paste it in there. So we just copy and paste in here, and then we click next, and then we click yes. Alright, so we just wait to see if it's going to be connected, which I'm sure it will. Is now connected. Alright, so I guess we are done for this lab, so let's go ahead and score lab 100%. Alright, so if you find this video to be helpful, remember to like and subscribe so that others can benefit. Also share, reach out to me on WhatsApp if you need any further help on any of the Testout lab at all. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.